guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the new Apple Watch Series 6 for you guys. I'm very excited about that. If this is your first time at my channel, If this is your first time on my channel, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, and let's go ahead and get right into the video. So like I said earlier, in this video, I will be unboxing the new Apple Watch Series 6. This is actually my first Apple Watch, so in this video, I won't be able to really compare this Apple Watch to previous Apple Watches. However, in this video, I will be unboxing it for you, showing you guys what comes in the package, as well as showing you guys how to set it up. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the watch. This is the packaging that it comes in. It says watch on the front. It's got the little Apple symbol, and the box does originally come with plastic wrap around it. I did already go ahead and take that off. I had already started getting into my watch when my sister gave me the idea of actually showing you guys the unboxing for it. So I haven't unboxed anything else, so we'll be getting into that. So let's go ahead and open it. And I think it's cool that they have these little like tabs on the box. So the premise of the box is that it's supposed to be completely like user friendly. You're not supposed to have to use scissors for anything, so I really like that. Okay, and so when you open it up, it's got this cute little, you probably can't see me, but it's got this cute little packaging where you can see the different bands. And then here is the actual watch. So the package actually comes with the watch, and then it has another band with it. Gotta bear with me with these nails. So in here, it's got like a little like instruction portion, and then it also comes with the power cord for the watch. It does not come with the actual wall adapter like the little box, which is honestly kind of disappointing. I mean, you spend all this money and they don't even give you like the little adapter. And it's funny because Apple, when they were actually talking about why they didn't include the little, you know, wall adapter, was to actually save on waste. That was the reason behind not including it. So I thought that was pretty funny. If I could save money and then make it seem like I was focused on the environment and that was the reason behind why I was doing something, then I would do it too. Which is really not a big deal to me because, I mean, I already have a million wall adapters, which I'm sure most Apple users do. So it's not the biggest deal. As well as now a lot of extension cords actually come with like just USB ports. So it's not the biggest deal to me. So in this first box, it does come with the Apple Watch and then the cord. Okay, so I did get a little bit ahead of myself, so I did forget to mention a pretty big part, and that is that I got the gold aluminum case, and that came with the pink sand sport band. So something to keep in mind when you are shopping for your Apple Watch is that the color of the watch that you choose is going to be the color of the face of your watch. If you get a watch with a red face, it will always have that red face regardless of if you put a, you know, blue band on there, black band on there, whatever. So if you do want a watch that is going to go with a lot of different colors, I suggest getting like a black. I'm really not sure if they have a white in the Series 6, but I know that they do have a black. So if you do want a watch that's going to go with a lot of different bands, then I suggest getting like a neutral color like that. However, I absolutely love rose gold. I never get tired of rose gold. That's why I went with the gold aluminum case, which is looks like a rose gold. It's extremely hard to get out. Lord. Oop. Okay, so this is the actual Apple Watch, and this is what the color looks like. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and open up the watch band. So again, the packaging comes where you absolutely don't have to use any scissors, so it has a little tab right here for you to rip to open it up. I'm gonna pull that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Then you open it up, and again, it has like some instructions at the top. And then if you flip it down, you have two bands. So you have the longer wrist attachment, and then you also have the shorter wrist, I believe. Yeah, so this is the medium large wristband, and then here is the small medium. So I have a pretty small wrist, so I'm probably going to go ahead and use the small medium. So let's pop this bad boy out. So I'm just going to be pulling right here. So to connect your band, the Apple Watch has like little slots, so you're just going to slide in the, ooh, is that wrong? You're just going to slide in the band Do I know what I'm doing? Okay, that works. Okay, just like that. Okay, just like that. And then I think you just tuck that in there. Oh, so that is what the watch looks like on. And then this is the back side. Okay, so the first thing that my Apple Watch is showing me is it wants me to choose which language that I want my Apple Watch in. So I'm gonna go with English. Then next it is asking me which region. I hope you guys can see that. And so I'm gonna choose United States. So now it says open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap start pairing. So you guys can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and screen record. Okay, it's actually already pulling up when it says use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. So I'm gonna hit continue. Okay, so I don't know if this just downloaded the app for me or if it was already on my phone and I didn't know. But okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit set. It says set up Apple Watch. If you have an Apple Watch, you can see it here or set it up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit set up for myself. All right. And now I'm just going to align that. Perfect. So now it is paired to my phone. I'm gonna hit set up Apple Watch. I don't know, I kind of want to put it on my right, but I'm gonna go ahead and set it up for my left wrist. And hopefully I can change that later. So now it's showing me the terms and conditions. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit agree. Okay, so now it's giving me the option for the workout route tracking. I'm gonna go ahead and enable that. And then next it's asking me about Siri. I'm gonna go ahead and hit don't use Siri. I don't really use Siri. I don't know, it just might be me, but I don't know. I feel like my phone is listening to me whenever I have Siri, so I don't use Siri. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit don't use Siri. Shared settings, I'm just gonna hit okay. It doesn't give me any other option. Okay, so now it's giving me options for the text size. So I mean, I have pretty good sight, but I'm gonna go just like a little bit closer to like a bigger font. Okay, so next is moving on to activity. So it says the activity app on Apple Watch helps you sit less, move more, and get some exercise. If you like, you can set it up now. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up activity. That's the main reason I actually got my Apple Watch, was for activity and workout purposes. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up activity. So to set up your activity, you have to put in like your personal information. So your birth date. My birthday is August 24th. I identify as female. My height is 5'1". Weight, y'all don't need to know that. And I am not in a wheelchair. Oh, that's so nice. I love that they put that in there. That's very inclusive, so I'm glad that they thought about that. So it also has a wheelchair option, and I am not in a wheelchair, so I'm gonna hit done, hit continue. So next it's got my daily move goals. So set up your move goals for how active you are, how active you'd like to be. So for me I want to put highly, but I know that that's probably not attainable. A more attainable goal would probably be moderately, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit moderately and set that as my move goal. And then my daily exercise goal, it says at least 30 minutes a day, so that's my goal as well. So I'm just gonna hit 30 minutes. That's fine. Daily stand goal, that's kind of like what the preset number is, so I'm just gonna go with 12. That's fine. And this is the part that I thought was really cool about the Series 6, that it actually has your blood oxygen levels. So it says you can use the blood oxygen app to check your blood oxygen levels. It can also measure levels throughout the day, so I thought that that was pretty cool, so I'm gonna enable that as well. Keep your Apple Watch up to date, get the latest features, security, and improvements by updating your watch automatically. It's fine. Next it's got Apple Pay. I don't really use Apple Pay, so I'm gonna do set up later an Apple Watch app for that. Emergency SOS, so definitely want that set up. Press and hold the side button to call emergency services if your Apple Watch is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot that because I'm gonna need that for later, just in case. I'm gonna hit continue. Okay, so next is the fun part. So it's got your clock faces. So this is where you can customize your watch's face. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue. Install available apps. So some apps on your iPhone work with Apple Watch. You can install all these apps now or choose to I'm just gonna hit install all. Why not? I can just remove them later, hopefully. So right now my Apple Watch is syncing, so we'll see how long this takes. And it's nice that while your Apple Watch is syncing that you can still use your iPhone like as you normally can. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that while we're waiting for this to finish up. Okay, so now the watch is done updating. It took about 6 minutes, so not too bad. So now it's giving us a welcome screen, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit okay. And so I'm gonna go ahead, the first thing that I'm gonna do is go ahead and edit this watch screen. So let me see. Oh, it took me the longest time. Okay, it took me a second to find where you could actually edit your the faces. So you click on face gallery. See, I kind of want the whole premise of me getting the watch was for activity. So I might set an activity start, but I don't know, I kind of want it to be cute as well. So I'm actually gonna set it as a picture. So let's see. So I'm gonna choose this, hit add. Okay, and this is what it looks like on the actual Apple Watch. Let's see if it'll focus. It's so cute. So after the initial setup, you can just go in and just kind of play around. So you can go into your activity and play with these settings. So after this is just setting up your watch however you want. Got the app view. I prefer the grid view than the list view. See the arrangement. It's kind of cute. That in the center. And then when you go to the actual Apple Watch, you just hit this side button. It'll take you to all of your different apps, and you can kind of scroll around and, you know, pick the app that you want to go into. And to exit out, let's see, I guess you just hit this button again. Yeah. Okay, so that is all for this video today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If this video was helpful for you, make sure that you go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, as well as comment down below what you liked about it. And of course, as always, if you haven't already, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn your bell notifications that way you don't miss any of my other posts. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.